Hi, it's Creative Sarah. We're going to use our Christmas tier tray transfer. I've got this fun wood cutout from Creative Woodcut Shop on Etsy, and I'm just going to paint it with some of our white chalk paste. So I've added a little bit of water and I am just painting it with paintbrush. Now I just want to make sure it's dry before I prep it for chalking. We are going to use our bark and camel chalk paste, just so you know. But before we get to chalking, I need to wax this. So I'm going to grab some of our surface wax and my applicator and just kind of wax on, wax off until it's very smooth. Now I'll peel off the transfer from the backer sheet and just kind of fuzz it on our fuzzing cloth. Once it's fuzzed, I'll go ahead and lay it down on my surface, lining it up with that wood cut. If you need help, you can always put that on a light box or a light pad and see the background. Now I'm just gonna dot some of our paste all over the silk screen because I'm doing the hot mess technique, which really looks cool with the pine cones. Now I'm gonna take my squeegee and I'm just going to smooth it all out on the silk screen. And here we go. Ooh, look at that. Isn't it awesome? Now I'm gonna dry it with our quick dry tool before I get to assembling. I'm going to make sure it's dry to the touch, and then I'm going to use the 2 glue method. So I'm going to grab some Gorilla Glue, and I'm also going to use my hot glue to instantly set it. What that means is I'm going to use a little bit of Gorilla Glue, which is going to be my long set. It has to dry before it sets, but it'll be permanent. And hot glue sometimes works really well, sometimes doesn't. So that will be my quick set. It'll hold it together now, and then that Gorilla Glue will dry, and then it'll be permanently set. I'm just gonna make a cute little bow, and I'm just gonna kind of attach it to the little tag here. This tag can be added to any cute little tier tray, especially using the rest of our tier tray Christmas transfer. Hope you love this. Follow me for more ideas and inspiration, creativesarah.com, and thanks for watching.